You guys, I hope you're ready for tender, smoky, and delicious chicken tacos. Today, I'm going to share with you my auntie's Mexican chicken tacos. We're gonna jump right in and make one of my favorite recipes in the Taco Tuesday cookbook. The recipe details and a link to the cookbook can be found right below this video. And if you're new around here, I love tacos so much that not only did I write a book, but I'm cooking my way through the Taco Tuesday cookbook on this channel. You could say that I'm pretty taco obsessed and that tacos give me all the feels. There are things that one should not say out loud about their tacos, and this is it, all right? The most important part of this recipe is that you use bone-in, skin-on chicken breast. Heck, you can totally use a whole chicken, but bone-in, skin-on. Let me show you why. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the chicken is fully dry so the seasonings can adhere to the skin. You can use a paper towel for this. I like to start with skin side down and generously salt the chicken bottoms. Put some black pepper over there too, and the secret is Mexican oregano. Once that's done, you're gonna flip it over and repeat the process on the top. Do not skimp on the seasonings. You want them to go through the skin and the underside into the chicken meat because these are not your oven roasted skinless chicken breasts. Oh no, this is going to be the juiciest chicken ever. Now you literally want to cover the entire surface with your seasonings, and Mexican oregano is not the same thing as Italian oregano, so they're going to be usually by the spices in the Latin section of your grocery store. You're gonna bake this chicken for about 45 minutes. Now, depending on the size of the chicken breast or if you use a whole chicken, give or take, you need an extra 10 to 15. That's why whenever one cooks chicken, it's best to go by the internal temperature reading of 165 Fahrenheit or 75 Celsius. I'm gonna slice some avocado here and some Pico de Gallo that I've made, which by the way, if you wanna learn how to make Pico de Gallo, check out this video, and some sour cream. We also need to warm up the tortillas. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that I love my tortillas toasted on an open flame, but you can, of course, warm them up in the oven or the microwave. Okay, this chicken, literally with your hands, you're going to want to remove the skin and separate the chicken meat from the bone onto a plate. Now, I like to do it straight back in the pan because I can mix the chicken meat with all the juices. It's everything I love. I've been making this simple chicken since high school, you guys. Now, I usually make it on a sheet pan with potatoes and vegetables. They cook with the juices, delicious. But when it came to selecting the recipes for the Taco Tuesday cookbook, I knew that I would find a way to add it in there. It's been my secret recipe for many years. Let's add some chicken onto the tortilla. Place some avocado on the side, add a little Pico de Gallo, some sour cream, a little lime drizzle for good measure. This chicken, you've gotta make this recipe, guys. The recipe and cookbook details right below this video, and of course, more Taco Tuesday videos every single week to give us something good to eat and talk about. See you next time.